Hey everybody, it's Jeff with Camping with Jeff and Ann, and I'm going to be making some granola here at the campground. Alright, we're going to do a half a cup of almonds. Oh man, that's a lot. That's more than I thought it was going to be. Okay. And then half a cup of pecans. And we're just going to mix them up in here in this pan, get them hot. Get them warmed up real good for about 5 minutes. Alright, so I took the nuts out of the pan after I got them heated up and put them in the bowl, and now I'm going to get 2 cups of oats and heat them up, get them browned. We got the oats, warmed them up and got them toasted, and we're going to mix them in with all the nuts, the pecans and the almonds. Okay, so we're going to put a 1/3 cup of honey, more or less to your taste, you know, because that's a lot of oats and stuff, so I'm probably going to put more than that in there. Just going to guess at it. That looks pretty good. I'm going to put some vanilla. Calls for a whole teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, there we go. Teaspoon of vanilla. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. My trusty assistant over here helping me out. Oh, this is going to be good. I can't wait. I can't wait. You said put a little extra brown sugar in there.
Yep.
I like that sweet stuff. Okay, that's why I got Ann over here. That sweet stuff. 1/4 cup of olive oil. Okay, we'll go ahead and measure that in here. Okay, there we go. We need some cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Just gonna get that going here. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. A little extra there. What the heck? Some salt. Gotta have some salt. Put some salt in there. That should do it. Mix it up and bring it to a boil. Okay, we're gonna put some sunflower seeds in here. Okay, I've already put about a cup in there. Honey's boiling. All right, let's see what happens. I've never done this before. This is gonna be good. I think I got just the right amount of honey in there. Okay, so I put the cranberries in here. It's still warm. And now we're gonna put it onto the wax paper and let it cool there. The bowl is hot. This bowl is hot. Very hot, man.
It's not looking.
Rebecca, what are you doing in there?
Nothing. Nothing. No.